Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And today we're going to be going into another episode of the Amazon tool deals, and I really hope you guys enjoy. These will either be tools that are on sale, tools that even at their full price I believe to be good deals, and tools that I find interesting and would like your guys' opinion on if you guys have used them. So first up is a PreTools item. I've had very good experiences with PreTools. I own quite a bit of their lineup, and once again have been very happy with them. So they have a few different options here. This is going to be the PreTools 1/4 inch drive 6-point socket set, shallow and deep in the metric. It's going to be 4 through 15. Here you can kind of see the max chrome finish. I've really enjoyed the PreTools sockets and impact sockets. They have a good design, good quality, and overall really good complete sets. So here you can see you get the 4.5 and 5.5 as well, and it goes up to 15 millimeter. I know a lot of people look for those half sizes and the 15 millimeter in their socket sets. So with this one, you're getting it for $30. I believe on the PreTools website it's $35, and that's just the sockets by themselves. Or you can get them with the Westling USA made aluminum socket organizer. Some of my favorite socket organizers on the market. But it does jump up quite a bit. So on the PreTools website, without it, it's $35. With it, it's $50. Here you get it for $30, and then with the rail, $50, if I remember correctly. $55, my bad. So $35 without and $55 on the Capri website. $30 here on Amazon without, and $55 with the organizer. Also keep in mind that I'll have the Tekton and PreTools website linked down in the description, as well as all of these tools and many others that I suggest. But if you go to the PreTools website and make your purchases, if you have an account, you get rewards. They run a points program, which it basically comes back as a 5% in rewards. So you spend $100, you get $5 in rewards for your next purchase there on the PreTools website. So a good rewards program there. But here it's really just you need to decide, just kind of like when I do my Tekton products, I always try to mention that you need to decide whether or not you're willing to save a little bit of money up front and buy it on Amazon or another website, or if you would like to save up some of those reward dollars or points and use them on those websites later on. Both of them good options. So I figured I'd throw this in here. Right now, this PreTools set has 4.5 stars at only 14 ratings. Not a whole lot, but definitely a good set of sockets. Next up is another Sata product. It's a brand that I've been mentioning quite a bit in my last Amazon tool videos. Sata is made by the same company as Gearwrench and all of those. Basically, Sata has really been pushed on Amazon and been being pushed a lot harder in multiple different places over the last year or so. And basically, they have a lot of the same lineup as Gearwrench, but for quite a bit cheaper. Now, I don't have any experience with Sata Tools warranty or anything like that. I do know they carry a warranty on a majority of their products, but I'm not sure how that process goes compared to a Gearwrench warranty process. But I still think it's a great option. You're getting a good quality tool, Gearwrench quality, while getting it at a little bit better price. Now keep in mind they don't have every product that Gearwrench has, but they do have a good variety. And then I also believe they have some tools that Gearwrench may not have. So this is the 21-piece pass-through socket set. I know I've thrown a couple of the Gearwrench and Sata pass-through socket sets in some previous videos, but they do have some good pricings available in different sets. This one is a 21-piece set for $37, down from $40. Savings of 7%. It has 4.5 stars at 487 ratings. And I do like the pass-through design on this. It holds very well. I used to have the larger set from the Gearwrench design, and it held up very well. Here you have some adapters so you can run normal sockets on it as well. And the nice thing about the pass-through socket, not only are you able to, pass through a stud or anything like that, working on, normally where you would use a deep well, maybe that threaded portion or rod is too long for a deep well socket. Not only is it handy there, but it is also great for low profile work. So when you're working in tight areas, when you push that pass-through socket into that ratchet, it really creates a low profile design. So I really do like that as well. And it comes in a nice little organizer as well. And keep in mind they do have different size sets as well. Here's a 80-piece set. It comes with pass-through sockets and normal standard sockets, a ratcheting screwdriver, extensions, bits, all of that. And here they have one that's 1/4 inch and 3/8. Definitely a nice little lineup from Sata. If you guys haven't checked them out, I do suggest checking them out. They do have some good sets, not just the pass-through stuff. Okay, so next up is a Tekton product. This is going to be the hard handle black oxide blade screwdriver set. This is the 16-piece set, and you get a good variety. Part number Delta Romeo Victor 40121. It has 4.5 stars at 221 ratings for $63. Now, just like the PreTools website, the Tekton website has these available for $72, I believe. These are $63. So once again, you need to decide, do you want the rewards money for your next purchase, or maybe you already have rewards money on the Tekton website and you could use them to get the price even lower, or if you want to save the $9 and purchase them here. But just like any tool brand, you always want to double check other websites as well as the actual manufacturer as well, or the brand's website to see if they sell them. You always want to compare prices no matter what, but Tekton is a good option either way, whether you buy them here, save $9 up front, or if you want to use rewards or save rewards on the Tekton website. I will also have those linked down in the description for you guys. So this is 63, and I know when they first released these, they also then came out with the chrome blades, which a lot of people were hoping for, and the chrome blades used to be a little bit more expensive. Here they are also 63, so good pricing there as well. So you have both options, black oxide finish or the chrome finish, and then multiple different size sets. As you can see here, a lot of different sets available. And then they also, this is just on this specific page here, but they do have larger sets as well, and then some that come with organizers and all of that. So definitely some good options. These are made in the USA. I have both the hard handle set and their high torque handle design, which I really enjoy that handle design as well. And here you can kind of see the size markings on the ends of the screwdriver, and then here are the tips and kind of inside the molded handle. So definitely a couple of designs that I've really enjoyed and I wanted to share with you guys. So for the $63, you get a 16-piece set. Once again, very well designed and very well priced for a nice USA made screwdriver set. Here you can kind of see the inner core and outer core and the material types used, and once again just some of the other sets that they have. And then here are their high torque screwdrivers, which I also own. That handle design, it is actually, when I first got them I thought they were going to be very awkward, but they're actually very comfortable handle designs. And then last up on this week's Amazon Tool Deals is a Gearwrench product. This is a 39-piece half-inch drive impact socket set. This is both standard or shallow and deep metric sockets ranging from 9 to 30. I made a mistake when buying my first half-inch drive impact sockets, and I got just shallow, and it was from 8 to 22. Just kidding. 8 to 19, which covers less than my Gearwrench 3/8 drive set. So I made a mistake and I got a half-inch drive set that doesn't even cover the variety that my 3/8 drive set has. If I would have actually thought about it before making the purchase, I would have bought something like this. Now I have many other impact socket sets that go much larger from Matco and all of those, but when I bought that set, I should have looked for something more similar to this. So you get a wide variety. It only skips 25 and 28 and 29, but it does go all the way up to 30, so 9 to 30, and it just skips those 3 socket sizes. And then you get a universal adapter or swivel adapter as well. So definitely a nice little lineup, especially for $115. It says the list price at $230. You'll never see it sell for $230. Gearwrench always has a high list price, but I think $115 for this size of socket set, both shallow and deep, and the range that you get, I think it's a good deal. 5 stars at 638 ratings. They are chromoly. They are laser engraved and stamped. Black oxide finish. It's held up well. Some of my more worn ones at like the openings where the black oxide, I'm not sure how well that's picking it up, but like I'm starting to get some surface rust on there, but it's been 5-6 years, so I would say the black oxide coating holds up very well, and all around a good socket set. So let me know your guys' thoughts. All of these products, once again, will be linked down in the description for you guys, as well as many others, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If there are any other tool brand suggestions or specific types of tools that you would like me to look for deals on or anything like that, please feel free to drop it down in the comments. And that, if you guys enjoyed, hit that thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. See you guys next time.